Welcome to another video, and it's Sunday the 23rd of October 2022 and it's chucking it down with rain. So we've got thunderstorm warnings here in Stoke-on-Trent today. Let's go and check Bathpool out. Looks like there's going to be some serious flooding today, but we've got us Wellingtons on, got the big umbrella. So as you can see, the water is seriously deep here. Let's check this car coming out now. So we're just at the entrance to a bath pool and we're going to check it out. Guess there won't be many people around here today, maybe a few fishermen. The heavy rain has actually subsided for a while. So pretty much nobody walking around here today. Completely dry we are though with these big umbrellas. And look at the autumn colours now. So Bathpool, even with all this rain, is not overflowing. It's actually quite low. You can see around the edges, the white edges, how low the water actually is. I've been to Bathpool for a while and I didn't realise how low the lake's actually gone. Just look at the white part here. Looks like the ducks are enjoying this weather today. Well, you could have been sitting at home looking at the terrible weather outside. Just grab an umbrella, big umbrella, get walking out and enjoy it. Just one fisherman here at Bathpool at the moment. So today we're filming with the iPhone 14 with action mode. The trees are really showing the autumn colours this morning. Well, it's a washout at Kidsgrove Beach this morning. To go a little bit brighter, and the rain is a little less heavier now. Bathpool is certainly beautiful in autumn. So we've got some exciting videos coming this week. We've got the Scare Castle going through the Hare Castle tunnel on this Sunday, and then the week after is going to be filming Clough Hall Bonfire. So I hope you've enjoyed this rainy day walking around Bathpool. If you have, give us a thumbs up, drop us some comments, share with your friends, and of course subscribe to our channel. We are so close now to getting 1,000 subscribers.